Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, humid and hot today. We actually topped out at 91 degrees this afternoon. We're still warm and humid right now. Doppler radar tracking mainly just showers here in Rhode Island, southeastern Massachusetts. The stronger thunderstorms this evening have been confined to central and southern Connecticut. There's a severe thunderstorm warning out towards New Haven on the left-hand side of your screen. Now, wouldn't rule out here the rumble of thunder as the front comes through, but I think the risk of any severe weather has pretty much come to an end. But a thunderstorm can't be ruled out next couple of hours until that cold front moves offshore. It's actually decent down in Newport, mainly cloudy, warm, humid, temperatures in the 70s. So a threat tracker for the next few hours will keep it, somewhat elevated. Even a weak thunderstorm has lightning, and so the reason why we'll have that in the elevated category. Friday and Saturday getting back on track. There's some extra clouds on Friday. Overall, not too bad, and weekend is looking good. We're going to heat things up though by the latter part of the weekend. So some evening showers and a few rumbles of thunder for a few more hours. Drier on Friday, even though I wouldn't rule out an isolated brief shower. A better part of that 15 hours worth of daylight on Friday is actually dry. And then heating things up, another heat wave, potential 3-day heat wave beginning on Sunday and lasting through Tuesday of next week. So all 3 of those days we're forecasting temperatures in the lower 90s. We'll show you that in the 7-day forecast. Speaking of 90s, 91 today, Providence, 91 in Taunton. We were forecasting, 89 last night, so we did a few degrees better than that. Mid-80s along the coastline. We're thinking more like 85 degrees coming up for tomorrow afternoon, but it's still warm and humid with many areas now well into the 70s, including 77 in Providence. Satellite and radar composite showing some of the showers that are coming through right now. Here's the wider view, and we're tracking this blue line right in here. It's a cold front. It's the leading edge of not so much colder air, but slightly drier air. So as it continues to press through next couple of hours, it'll set off some additional isolated showers and thunderstorms as it moves offshore. Now, draw your attention to some clouds across the mid-Atlantic. Notice how rather than kind of pulling away offshore, they're kind of lingering down here. So some of these are going to clip the area the first half of tomorrow, especially along the coastline. I think the beaches will end up being mostly cloudy, at least the first half of the day before we start to see a little bit of sunshine. So we're getting real close, and we'll walk through the temperatures overnight, which will be in the 70s and muggy. Tomorrow morning at 7:30, 7 a.m., starting off with clouds and temps in the mid-70s. And then during the afternoon, some partial sun breaking through the cloud cover, mid-80s for high temps. And then by tomorrow evening at 8 o'clock, we're going to cool back down into the 70s. Bay forecast has some reduced visibility and a little bit of fog early in the morning, a brief shower, but mainly dry. North breeze turning southeast. So for tomorrow morning, starting off mainly cloudy, a little hazy sun by 11 a.m., 82, and we'll call it partly cloudy. A cloud, hazy sun mixture, and high temperatures reaching about 85 in the afternoon. I think mostly cloudy at the beaches, especially the first half of the day. A little sun trying to break through by mid to late afternoon. There's your weekend. Sunny, very warm Saturday, hot on Sunday, and that heat and humidity, Mike and Shannon, extending into early next week, both Monday and Tuesday, with the temperatures in the lower 90s. So weekend looks pretty good, but heating things up by Sunday.
All right, Tony, thanks.